Hey everyone, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can glitch your stove so it's like all together like this and it makes cooking easier. This is for the Call of Whales event in Heartopia, and I'm glitching the Tidal stove. So let's remove these stoves real quick, and then we are going to add them back. We're going to add three first. So 1, 2, and 3, like that. Make sure they're all in this position. You can also just do 3 if you want to and not like 5 like me, but it's up to you. Then we're just going to glitch that out. Do that again because it doesn't always work the first time. Whoops, I pressed something else. Sorry. Like that. Okay. Then we're going to grab these. Make sure you have tiles so you know where they are. And then we're going to place it in this spot and then in this spot. So like kind of next to each other. Press complete and wait for it. And this is what your stoves are going to look like. Should make cooking way easier. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!